And got caught in it, and she was eating it. I was like, the kids love this stuff.
I must be a big kid because I love this too.
Go for it. There's other things in nature that I find fascinating.
Oh yeah, well, his little buddy's just back there watching him. He's probably looking at me. Why are you helping my friend? That's a monster spider. It's got about 3/4 the size of that cicada on him. Oh man, those things are freaking loving each other right there. That might be game over. The spider's like, God, that was... Oh, nope. Those things got some wings on them. Oh shit! The other one's coming after me. He's pissed. That might have been in the final farewell. Nope, he's still alive. Damn, we got a hell of a view right there. That spider, maybe. Oh, it's so sad. That's wicked, man. This guy's got an awesome web going. Got a little snake pile right there in the middle. You know what would be mean now is just to flick that dead little guy down.